So today in science, we're going to be learning about fast animals. We're going to be reading a book. It's called Fast, Faster, and Fastest, Animals That Move at Great Speeds. It's by Michael Dahl. But before we read, we're going to use our iPad and our flashcard app to look at some of the words we're going to see in the book that we don't know the meaning of right now.
On our iPad, we have a flashcards with a list of words that tell you what they mean and a picture to help you remember. So the first word is extreme, and it means very great. The next word is speedometer, and that's an instrument that helps you measure speed. The next word is whisks. It is to move quickly. The next word is sprint, and that is to run at full speed over a short distance. The next word is supper, and that is an evening meal. And the last word is swoop, and that's moving fast through the air in a downward motion.
We are going to read our book now. As you read, the iPad with the flashcards will stay right here so you can refer back to them whenever you need to. We will stop as we read every time we come across one of our vocab words to see what the word means in the context of the story.
Listen.
Fast, faster, fastest. Animals that move at great speeds. By Michael Dahl. Illustrated by Brian Jensen. Animals move everywhere. They fly over the highest mountains and dive through the deepest oceans. They run over the hottest deserts and swim in the coldest waters. Don't blink, or you might miss these animals that can move at extreme speeds. Watch the needle move across the speedometer as you turn each page.
On this page, we have the two words extreme and speedometer. Let's go back to our list of vocab words and review what they mean. Extreme means very great, so in this story it means great speeds. Speedometer is an instrument that measures speed, so in this story the speedometer is measuring the speed of every animal.
Hop, hop, hop. The kangaroo bounces 35 miles per hour across the dusty deserts of Australia. Can any animal move faster? Yes, the zebra can. Its black and white stripes zoom across the African plains at 40 miles per hour. Can any animal move faster? Yes, the lion can. It sprints 50 miles per hour along the savanna in southern Africa.
So on this page we saw one of our vocab words, and it was sprint. If we go back to our list of vocab words, we can move them up and down and find sprint and see that it means to run at full speed over a short distance, meaning that in the story it's talking about the lion running full speed across the savanna.
Yes, the pronghorn can. It whisks 60 miles per hour across the plains of North America. Can any animal move faster?
On this page, we saw another vocabulary word, whisks. Whisks means to move quickly. So in the story, it is saying that the pronghorn moves quickly across the plains of North America.
Yes, a cheetah can. It races after its supper at 70 miles per hour across eastern Africa. Can any animal move faster?
On this page, we see the vocab word supper. If we look back on our list, we can see that supper means an evening meal. So in the context of this story, it means that the cheetah is running after its dinner.
Yes, a white-throated needle-tailed swift can. It dives 106 miles per hour over a waterfall in Central Asia. Can any animal move faster? Yes, a bald eagle can. It swoops down at 185 miles per hour over the tall trees of North America. Can any animal move faster?
On this page, we saw another vocabulary word, swoop. Swoop means to move fast through the air in a downward motion. So on the page, it said a bald eagle can. It swoops down at 185 miles per hour over the tall trees in North America. So the bald eagle was moving down at 185 miles per hour.
Yes, a peregrine falcon can. It flies 217 miles per hour over the Canadian forests. Can any animal move faster? Perhaps. Who knows what could move faster?
Okay, that was the end of our story. We want you to remember these vocab words to use in your own writing, and we also want you to know that this is an app on our iPad that you can come back and use to remember the meaning and see a little picture that represents the word.